Hello Adobe Express creators, want to spice off your design with some background music? Let's do it in just few taps. First, open Adobe Express and either create a new project or select the one you are working on. What kind of background music do you prefer for your designs? Let me know in the comments. Once you are in your project, look for the Media tab. This might be under the template section depending on your version of the app. Tap on Audio to choose a music track from Adobe's built-in library or upload your own audio file directly from your device. Once your music is added, you can adjust the volume, fade in or fade out, and even set the duration to match the length of your video or animation. And that's it. Your design now has the perfect background music to make it more engaging. If the audio isn't syncing correctly, check the duration of your design and make sure it matches the audio length. You can trim or extend both to make them fit seamlessly. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.